Hi, I'm Alex with Authorize.net, and today I would like to talk to you about our Customer Information Manager, or CIM. CIM allows you to store customer-sensitive payment information on our secure servers. There are a lot of great reasons to use CIM. First, since sensitive data is no longer stored locally, CIM will potentially simplify your PCI DSS compliance. Second, storing your customers' information on our servers provides a convenient way for repeat customers to initiate future transactions with their stored information. Additionally, CIM can integrate to your website or proprietary business application and dynamically process repeat transactions of different amounts. This feature is particularly useful for utilities and other companies that bill their customers a different amount on a recurring basis. CIM integrates to your website or proprietary business application via an API and can also be used through the merchant interface. For more information on the CIM API, please visit our Developer Center at developer.authorize.net. In this demo, we will focus on using CIM through the merchant interface. Here we can manage CIM profiles, transactions, and more. Let's begin by logging into the merchant interface at https://account.authorize.net. Click on Customer Information Manager under Tools on the left side of the page. If you haven't already activated CIM, click on Sign Up for Customer Information Manager now. Review the terms and conditions and check the I have read and understand the terms of service box. Click the I agree button. Click on Continue to the CIM menu. On the Customer Information Manager page, you can see that there are numerous options. You can add profiles, view profiles, or delete profiles. You can search for a profile by profile ID, customer ID, email, or description. You can also conduct an advanced search, including by customer profile information, such as customer profile ID, customer ID, or email, or by billing and shipping profile information, such as payment or shipping profile IDs, or by credit card or bank account. Let's go back to the Customer Information Manager page to create a customer profile. A customer profile is the primary profile under which all payment and shipping profiles for a given customer are stored. To create a new customer profile, you must fill in at least one of the following fields: customer ID, email, or description. Click OK at the bottom of the page to store the basic customer profile. You can also create up to 10 payment profiles under a customer profile. A payment profile includes the credit card number and expiration date fields, both of which are required. If you have Address Verification Service, or AVS, enabled, we also recommend that you enter the address and zip code information to avoid possible declines. For more information, please view the AVS video demo. During creation of the payment profile, you can validate the billing information provided. In this process, a 0 or 1 cent authorization is processed and then voided immediately after authorization is received. The card code is optional, but recommended to properly validate the card information. You can also enter up to 100 shipping profiles for each customer profile. Be sure to click OK at the bottom of the page to save the profile information. On the customer profile page, you can view a profile's transaction history, edit a profile, or delete the profile in the customer profile information section. In the payment profile sections, you can add a payment profile or submit a charge or refund transaction. You can also add shipping profile information to a transaction. Let's take a look at how to charge a transaction using an existing profile. The first step in the charge transaction process is to set your shipping options. 3 options are available: no shipping required, use an existing shipping profile, or create a new shipping profile. Existing shipping profiles can be edited from this page as well. Click on Continue to move on to the Charge Transaction page. Here you can review the payment profile and shipping profile information. Transaction type and total amount are the two fields marked with an asterisk and are therefore required. The card code can also be submitted with the transaction. However, it cannot be stored on our servers because of PCI DSS requirements. Enter the total amount to charge and then hit Submit. On the transaction confirmation page, you will see a summary of the transaction. From here, you can enter a new transaction or return to the customer profile. Entering a customer refund is very similar to the charge process, but there are a few things to keep in mind. A refund may only be issued for a charged transaction settled within the past 120 days. To process a refund, you will need the original transaction ID and the total amount. If your account is enabled for expanded credit capabilities, you can process an unlinked refund, which means the refund is not tied to a transaction in your account. To process an unlinked refund, you will only need the total amount that is to be refunded to the specific payment profile. For more information on unlinked credits, please visit the Authorize.net knowledge base at authorize.net/help and search for expanded credit capabilities. Data security is one of the biggest concerns for everyone at Authorize.net and in the payments industry in general. We hope this video has shown you how easy it is to use CIM to manage your customers' sensitive data, thereby simplifying your PCI DSS compliance. For more information on CIM, please visit authorize.net/CIM. And thank you for being a valued Authorize.net merchant.